My tubby smallie. It's about time, baby. It's about time, my tubby smallie that I've been trying to get for a while. Let's go. There we go. It's not a tank, but we'll take it. Well, maybe. You never know. Actually, it's a lot of times when I don't know. I don't think it's a tank. They fight good too. They get randomly. Is this a pike? Finally a pikey? Oh. Finally one of the famous gray river pikes here. Oh yeah. We all get it. We all get it. You're tough as hell, bro. Like, everyone's scared of you, bro. We get it.